everyone. This video is going to take a look at the dates and job progresses. As you can see, I've already brought myself into the job, and I'm just going to tap here on the dark blue job snapshot to drop it down my KPI date inspected fields. And as you can see, we already have some fields filled in this area. We have the loss number, we have the date of loss, the date received, date contacted, date of site visit and end, who it was that did the site inspection, estimate delivered, estimate accepted, work starts on and ends on, date projected closed, and date closed, and then of course our progress level. Typically the date of loss and date received is filled in during the new lead or at the time of this new job entry. Date contacted, date of site visit and end and by whom. Estimate delivered and estimate accepted is typically filled in by the estimator. Work starts on and ends on. Date projected closed, and the date closed is filled in by the project manager. If you want to put a date in, you can either manually put it in by simply putting the numbers into that field and then hitting save, or you can choose to have your calendar pop up simply by tapping on the calendar. If your pop-ups are not showing on your screen, please check your URL to your browser to make sure that your pop-ups have been turned on. Once you have your calendar pop-up, just simply tap on the date that you want to have in that field. And as you can see, when the date gets put into the field, you get a progress pop-up. Keep in mind that the terminology or the verbiage that you're seeing in this training video may vary from your own site. Here I can either cancel the progress update or I can let the system do the work for me and just simply tap the OK button and let the progress level change for me. If that's all I need to do at this time, I'm just simply going to hit my save button and save that information, the date and the progress update for the next person that needs to come into this file. They'll see that the estimate has been accepted and the progress level now is at the contract signed. You also get a convenient pop-up here in your lower right hand corner when you know that the system has saved that information. Work starts on and ends on, again, is typically entered in by the project manager, and this is based on the estimate that the estimator has provided. And it may be that it's 2 guys for 5 days, and he would go to his schedule and make sure that he has the appropriate schedule for the work starts on and ends on. At that time, he would also enter in the date projected closed. This is going to stay the same date throughout the job. The end may change, as you may have something that happens to delay the job, or it may be that they work faster than expected and the job completes before the scheduled time. This is a visual cue for anyone to see if you're on schedule, if you're ahead of schedule, or if you're running behind schedule. Date closed is going to be when all subs, techs, employees, everybody is gone from the site and all work has been finished.